Hello, everyone, on a Sunday, December 4th, 2022. Amber Hawkins, your Computer Needs of Toledo, LLC, celebrating year number 17 of computer training more that comes to you. Yourcomputerneeds.net is where you can find more information. I want to I actually try to be as quick as I can, but I want to quickly touch on computer maintenance a little bit, just a little bit. 3 things to keep in mind as far as computer maintenance during the winter. Please know that extreme cold temperatures can damage your devices. I say devices because we have desktops, we have laptops, we have smartphones, we have tablets, we have drones, we have robotics, we have anything else technology-wise that I have not mentioned. We have whatever we have to do with the cloud one way or another. Now, I said cloud, and I don't know if anybody caught this. It's like, well, if anything's in the cloud, we don't really need to worry about it. Now, that's true. On the other side of that, any companies that manage the technologies to help with cloud computing have to be concerned. That's why I'm mentioning this. You don't want to have your devices in extreme heat. You don't want to have them in extreme cold. You don't want to add additional cost to have your device fixed, especially if it's not protected. Repairing it is going to involve more cost. I want to bring up something just a little bit as far as from the simple maintenance for busy entrepreneurs. Make sure you all get that. I'm going to have that as a special price starting December 5th. Please make sure time is managed to do the maintenance. If you do not have the time, seek a certified professional for your maintenance. This is for many what's considered the fourth quarter. This is for many that crucial month of the year. Black Friday has started, well, even before that, and this is still the holiday shopping season. So everything from discounts to sales and all in between. Reduced prices this day, 1 day sales this time, and all of that is going to happen. So be on number 3 on the lookout for any updated, upgraded, even refurbished, rebuilt devices that you will need. You're going to have some people, some businesses, and other entities, their computer maintenance is going to involve getting new equipment, which still will need to be maintained. And before you purchase that new equipment, if that's the direction that you're going, take care of what has to be taken care of, what you have now. Are you going to transfer any information from the old to the new device? Is there protection on your device so that when that information is transferred, there aren't any viruses, your programs and all of that? Are you keeping any software? Are you getting rid of any software? Any files you're getting rid of? Any files that you're keeping? Any photos? Any videos? Any documents? Anything based on your industry? Anything personal? Anything from 10, 12 years ago that you still have? Are you keeping it or are you not keeping it? Are you going to keep it as a part of your computer's hard drive? Are you going to transfer that information onto an external hard drive or a thumb drive or a jump drive? Are you going to keep it in the cloud? Are you not going to keep it in the cloud? Are you going to manage it? Are you going to outsource everything being managed? This is all part of computer maintenance. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is. You're maintaining, I keep saying this, your investment. You want to have the best return on investment as possible, which means taking care of what you have or what you're about to get. Whether you're keeping, whether you're getting something new, the key word, maintenance. You want this to last a long time. I keep saying protection. You also want to keep it protected, including any unforeseen, any unforeseen situations, any unforeseen attacks, any unforeseen instances. I can go on, but I'm not going to belabor the time. This is going to take so long to have done. It can. It really can. But do you want to make sure your equipment lasts or not? Again, if you don't have the time, outsource it to a certified professional so you can get it done. So you know where everything is, so you know what needs to stay and what needs to go, and on from there. Take the time soon, or you're going to have something happen in which you wish you took the time to make sure your devices were maintained. I keep mentioning protection. I know I do. I probably sound like a scratch record on mentioning protection, and I am going to conclude this, don't worry. I strongly am asking everyone to please have your devices protected. If they are not protected, the cost is going to be higher than you think. And that will include time that can be saved. Amber Hawkins, your Computer Needs of Toledo, LLC, celebrating year number 17 of computer training, the more that comes to you. If you're not able to reach me, leave a message. I will return your call. If you have any questions, concerns, compliments, complaints, thoughts, you agree with me, you disagree with me, let's find a resolve. Let's make sure as 2022 is ending, you're able to carry on with what you are doing now into 2023 and beyond. Everyone take care. Unfortunately, COVID isn't over yet. That's why I keep saying it, because I want to make sure everyone takes care of themselves. I will be having a couple links that expound on what I've been talking about. Make sure to check out the description. Bye-bye. And again, everybody be safe.